Hey guys, it's Miss Sam and I'm going to do a quick tutorial video about how to use your Gmail account. Okay, so we are going to start off on Google. So this is what my Google screen looks like. I'm going to switch it over so it's on a student account. I'm going to actually use my daughter's. So here is a regular Google account. This over here is called the waffle. So in order to get to Gmail, you're going to click on the waffle. You have a bunch of little apps over here on the side, or a bunch of little icons of places that you can go that are all through Google. In order to get to your Gmail account, you are going to click on Gmail. Now, Gmail is just an email account that is through Google. So this is your Google email account. So when you click on that, it is going to bring up your Gmail account or your Google Mail. Okay. So when it comes up, this is what it looks like. You have your inbox, you have your starred stuff, so maybe stuff that is really important. You have stuff that you can snooze, so maybe you want to look at it later. It's not really that important. Sent, so stuff that you have sent to somebody. Drafts, so stuff that you've not sent yet, but maybe you want to send it later. Down here, you can hit more and you have more options. The only one that you really might need to be able to see is the trash. Maybe you accidentally throw something away. You can look at it in there. Okay. Let's say that you want to send a message to Miss Shelby or myself. The way that you do that is you hit this little button right here that says compose. So I'm going to hit that button and I'm going to start typing in my name. So my name is Samantha McGrew. And once you type it one time, it will pop up almost every time. Now, she is a preschooler, so she has never sent an email before. That's why that didn't show up. So your subject, that just basically tells what your email is going to be about. So let's say you are having trouble logging into Zern. So my subject is going to be Zern. You want your subject just to be like 1 or 2 words. Now, down here, this is your message. I am having trouble logging into Zern. Okay. And then you would send it. And that's how you send an email. Okay. So that's something that is really cool that Gmail has, that you have access to at home. Now, I'm also going to show you some other things that are on your Gmail account that you might not have known about. Okay. So I'm going to exit that off. Down here, if you have any meetings that are scheduled through Google Meet, they're going to show up over here in the Meet. So you can join a meeting right here if it has already been scheduled. Now, something cool that is also over here is Hangouts. Now, Hangouts is kind of like instant messaging. So it's kind of like text messaging, but it's for your computer. So you can click on it and you can start a new conversation. So let's say that I wanted to start a new conversation. So let's say I wanted to talk to Miss Shelby Tyree. Okay. So I can start a conversation with Miss Shelby. So let's just send Miss Shelby a smiley face. Okay. So that's all you have to do in order to send a message. Now, you can also send messages to your friends on here. It's not just other teachers. So let's say you want to work with somebody like on a project, or you know that somebody's working on an assignment and you get stuck on a problem. You could send them a message on here and say, how did you do number 2? Explain to me how you did that. And they could answer that. So that is something neat that it also has on there. So I want you to be able to access your Gmail account, and it also sends you emails from your Google Classroom. So if you have an assignment that is due or an assignment that has been posted, you'll get an email from the Google Classroom sent over to your Gmail. So that's just what I wanted to show you guys. It's pretty neat. If you have any questions, I'd be glad to answer them for you. All right. Bye, guys.